Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore the topic patterns and conjectures. Now, conjecture is a conclusion reached by using inductive reasoning. A conjecture can be true or false. Counterexample is an example that shows that a conjecture is false. A diameter is a segment with endpoints on the circle that contains the center of the circle. Alright, so here's the diameter and the center of the circle is right here. We have infinitely many diameters, right? You can draw diameters right here, as long as it passes the center of the circle, right here. Inductive reasoning is a type of reasoning that reaches conclusions based on a continuation pattern of specific examples or past events. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed by three or more segments. Alright, here's the example of the polygon. Radius of a circle is a segment that joins the center of a circle with any point on the circle. Alright, so here's the center of the circle, and you just connect this point to any point on the circle. You have the radius. There are infinitely many radii of the circle. Now, example number 1, look for a pattern. What are the next two terms in each sequence? Alright, so look at this one right here. In order to get 15 from 5, we're going to multiply by 3. We're going to multiply by 3 to get 45, right? And we keep multiply by 3 to get 135. Now keep multiplying by 3. You get 405, right? So the next two terms are 135 and 405. Now question B. The first one, you see that the triangle inscribed in the circle. The next one, quadrilateral inscribed in the circle. The next one, pentagon inscribed in a circle, right? And the next two should be 6-sided and a 7-sided polygon inscribed in a circle. Now, example number 2. Look at the circles. What conjecture can you make about the number of regions 20 diameters form? Alright, so look at the first circle right here. We see that one diameter forms 2 regions, right? The second one, 2 diameters form 4 regions, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this one, 3 diameters form 6 regions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Observe that the numbers on the right hand side right here double the numbers on the left hand side, right? So 2 equals 1 times 2, right? Because we have 1 diameter, right? 4 equals 2 times 2, right? You have 2 diameters right here. 6 equals 3 times 2. You have 3 diameters right here, right? Now you have 20 diameters, so it should be 20 times 2. It could be 40 regions, right? Example number 3. What conjecture about the sum of the first 30 even numbers? Alright, look at this table right here. Number of terms. If you have one even number, it could be 2 right here. The sum should be 1 times 2 equals 2, right? If you have 2 even numbers, it could be 2 and 4, right? If you add this guy up, it could be 6, right? 6 equals 2 times 3, right? Now, if you have 3 even numbers, it could be 2, 4, and 6. Add them up, it could be 12, right? 12 equals 3 times 4, right? If you have 4 even numbers, it could be 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Add them up, it could be 20, and it could be 4 times 5, right? Now, we need 30 even numbers, right? So we have 30 even numbers right here, right? Now observe that if you have one even numbers, it could be 1 times 2. Two even numbers, 2 times 3. Three even numbers, 3 times 4. Four even numbers, 4 times 5, right? The button keep going, right? So 30 even numbers, it should be 30 times 31, right? It's gonna be 930, right? Now example number 4. Sales of backpacks at a nationwide company decreased over a period of 6 consecutive months. What conjecture is about the number of backpacks that will be sold in May? Alright, May is right here and this guy keep going down, right? So it should be somewhere right here, right? So you can project this one. It's gonna be approximately 8,000 backpacks in May, right? Now example number 5. What is the counterexample for each conjecture? If the name of a month starts with the letter J, it is a summer month. No, letter J, which is January. January is a winter month, right? Now question B. You can connect any 3 points to form a triangle. Alright, it's not correct, right? If 3 points are non-collinear points, and then yes, right? But if 3 points are collinear points, it's not a triangle, right? For example, I have A, B, C. Collinear points stay on the same line. Now question C. When you multiply a number by 2, the product is greater than the original number. This one is false, right? Because if original number is negative 4, if you multiply by 2, it's going to be negative 8, which is less than negative 4, right? This say greater than, right? So it's not correct. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.